What's up, guys? So today we're doing some kind of pretty cool stuff, I like to think. So right now, as you can see, we got the garage kind of all set up here, but from the title of this video, you guys know we got a new shop. So yeah, I've got the truck just set up here, and then we have quite a bit to move, to be honest. We're taking all this from basically here all the way over here. I haven't shown you guys this yet, but I also got a lift, just a tilting lift. So essentially you can get one side up the vehicle and then the other side's down. But I'll show you how that works when that happens. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys kind of what I'm doing today. So here's everything that we're moving, because I've got pretty much everything now. Like, everything's in the toolbox. I've got an air compressor, I've got a lift, got my welder, all my tools, and yeah, but I'll show you guys the shop soon. And here she is. This is the new shop. So, pretty dope. I think it's pretty cool. There's not really a whole lot in here right now. It's decently sized. I could probably get about 6 cars in here if I had nothing in here. But as of right now, I'm guessing 5 cars with all my tools. But it's just pure chaos along the side here. Just whatever. It'll take me a while to get everything in here, but I guess I haven't seen the truck in a little while. Thing's looking mean. But yeah, me and Adri, we have business. We have business. Okay, so load 1 is done at the shop. We're on to load number 2. I think my brother's home, my dad's home, so we're gonna go get some help from them. And then we will finish loading off the rest of the tools and get everything in here. All right, little progress update here. We have started to clear out the side here, but we've kind of set on setting up like this, I think. And then we're gonna put our bench on the left side there. That's kind of the plan. And then I want to clean up everything. But this is kind of like how much space we're working with. Like, this goes all the way back to the door right here. So it's decent, honestly. I wish I could get like the Civic in here to get a better frame of reference, but yeah, this is where we're at right now. I'm just gonna be slowly picking away at all this stuff over here. But yeah, I'll keep you guys updated on how it looks. Okay, so we just brought the truck in, and we brought in a couple more items here. Pretty much just our bench and our little cabinet of supplies. And when we come over here to the truck, all of our, I don't know, like automatic transmission fluid and like brake cleaner and all those supplies are in there. So this is currently our setup at the moment. Doesn't look terrible. But yeah, we're going to finish kind of organizing everything in here, and then I want to get a desk in here as well. Kind of a desk setup, I think, somewhere like along the front over here. So like along this side here, we'll put a desk somewhere. Just that one Adri's here. She has somewhere to hang out. Maybe get like a futon or something in here as well. Potentially set up a TV, but yeah, it's come together pretty good so far. I'll give you guys a final look when it's all done. Okay, just like that, we have finished it all off. And so this is what the current garage setup looks like. Over here, I put some stuff that I want to sell. So I want to get rid of everything in that corner over there. And then this stuff here, I gotta put together the lift, the tilting lift here. I cleared off our bench over here. So the bench has been cleared. And then did our supply cabinet. And this is kind of just like a random corner. Honestly, some spare metal, the lighting, the garbage can, just like boxes, vacuum. Over here, these are all our impacts. So impact sockets this side, and then just like bigger, larger tools over here. This is like our electrical kit. And then top down, just like organize everything in here. Make sure everything has a home, found everything, and then here are I guess like additional parts. This is all for the truck. This is the Civic seats and interior bits. A couple other random like Civic components down here. At the very bottom we have our coilovers, some random exhaust, and crash bar support, and then just like some old tools, our speaker. But yeah, this is the shop. It's pretty kind of dope, honestly. I like it a lot. So yeah, here's what she's looking like. Okay, so now I want to tackle the lift that we got here. So this is our tilting lift that we got just down here. It honestly doesn't look like anything too crazy. We had to get a 10 amp drill for it here. You can't use an impact. It gives a warning, no impacts to be used. So it gives a warning of no impacts. We got this guy here. This is like a cement mixer, but it's like the largest drill that I figured would probably work to lift up vehicles. And then the plates, the assembly, the instructions. Nothing too crazy. I have a brake job I want to do later, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this out for that, but we gotta assemble it first. So yeah, I'll show you guys how it looks and how everything comes together. But this is it. I'm gonna read the instructions really quick. Maybe I'll show you guys the instructions. Okay, so here's the instructions. Some safety information, technical information, and then the assembly. And so our first portion here is, I guess, just putting the pivot bar through the holes, and then putting, I guess, our top plate here through it as well. I'm gonna tighten it down, and then honestly it looks like it's pretty much ready to go. I don't really think there's a whole lot to it. So I'm gonna go ahead, put this thing together, see how it works. I'll try lifting it up once, lifting it down. I think I might need to grease it, but it also kind of seems like it comes greased. That I don't know. I'm gonna try and grease it, but yeah. It's pretty much where we're at right now. Okay, so this thing's pretty straightforward, honestly. Like, you just have your washers up against here, and then from this point on, we have like our spacers, and then I just tighten this thing down, and then now we have a tilting lift. But yeah, I gotta go ahead and do this side, but I'm just using some grease here, greasing everything up in here, just a light layer. And then, yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It's not a crazy process, honestly. This might take me like 10 minutes total to put this thing together. $1,000 for, it's like a half lift, I guess. So, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna try it later today. I'll show you guys too. Okay, and it is all set up. Didn't take too long. To be honest, it's pretty simple. But yeah, we'll give it a whirl when I get another car in here. I can't use it on the truck. The truck's a little bit too big. I was gonna try this, but I don't have, like for this, because it's gonna tilt one side of the vehicle up, I wanna get like tire like stoppers. You know what I mean? Like the ones you slide under the wheels so it stops moving. So I think I'm gonna get those before I try using it, because I don't know, it's a little sketchy. I don't know, I haven't tried it yet, but it worries me a bit. So I figured I'd rather be safe than sorry. Okay, and that is a wrap for this video. I obviously probably look a little different, and that's because I forgot to shoot this outro, so I'm shooting this a while later. But yeah, no, we got lots planned for the shop. I think right now, when looking back, we're posting our first video in the shop today, but we have like 50 made right now. So there's lots to come. A bunch of cool new cars. I'm looking at a couple of them right now. The Civic makes a return, and then yeah, there's about 5 or 6 different vehicles that are coming over the next couple of months. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Pretty quick, pretty bare bones, but I think it's gonna be pretty good moving forward. I'm very excited. The shop looks crazy right now because it's been about a year since then, but you guys are gonna see what's gonna happen over the next year. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace out.